Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. We've got a big update now coming in with regards to COVID-19 vaccine. We are learning that AstraZeneca has said that it will withdraw COVID-19 vaccine globally as their demand has dipped. The company in fact also said that it would proceed to withdraw the vaccine Vaxzevria's marketing authorizations within Europe. We'll bring you more details about why the vaccine is going to be discontinued. It will be withdrawal. The withdrawal will take place from Europe. The AstraZeneca in fact has now initiated a global withdrawal of COVID-19 vaccine days after it was reported that the British pharmaceutical company has admitted that this jab of COVID-19 vaccine can in fact cause some rare side effects, and the vaccine developed by AstraZeneca and Oxford University, which was produced by Serum Institute of India as Covishield in India, is now going to get a withdrawal from Europe. We have CNN News 18's Shireen Elizabeth joining us on the broadcast. Shireen, a very good morning to you. Tell us the statement that AstraZeneca has given about this particular vaccine and about the rare side effect that has been mentioned by British pharmaceutical company as well.
Well, the rare side effect is something that has been mentioned a few days back. This is not something new. They have in fact told the UK court when there is in fact a class action lawsuit against them. They had in fact mentioned that there is in fact rare side effects such as TTS, which can further cause blood clot and low blood platelets in people who have taken this jab. Now, what is really new in the entire episode is how AstraZeneca has in fact decided to withdraw globally as far as the COVID-19 vaccines are concerned. Now, officially, they have cited the reason for this withdrawal as commercial reasons. They have been saying that there is surplus amount of vaccines that are doing the rounds in the world. And as per the demand has in fact been lower down with pandemic, in fact, showing in fact a lower graph. And hence, there is no need for so many vaccines in the market. And that is why they are deciding to, in fact, withdraw it. But of course, this raises a lot of concern among the people who have taken Covishield, because this Covishield has the same component as AstraZeneca. But the health experts have been suggesting that there is nothing to really worry about Covishield, because if there was something to be worried about, the rare side effects that it could have shown within 1 week or 2 weeks of taking the vaccine.
All right, Shireen, thank you so much for walking us through all those crucial updates coming in about AstraZeneca's vaccine and how it will see a withdrawal from Europe. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on that story right now. Shifting focus, CNN News